Okay, so students, here I am going to discuss about the solution of a pair of linear equations in two variables. So students, we can find the solution of a pair of linear equation in two variables in two methods. First one is graphical method and second one is algebraic method. So students, first I am going to discuss here about the graphical method, how we can find the solution of a linear equation. So graphical method of solution of a pair of linear equation in two variables. So students, here first we are going to discuss about the existence of solution of a pair of linear equation. So students, here in a previous discussion, means part first, we have discussed about the pair of linear equation and their representation. So students, there we have discussed the three conditions can be possible when a pair of linear equation represent on the graph. First is that is both, means a pair of linear equation can intersect, means intersecting. So pair of linear equation can intersect in each other. So when they are intersecting, so this type of pair of linear equation said to be consistent. Consistent means if a pair of linear equation is consistent, then it have a unique solution. So in the case of consistent, we can say this pair of linear equation have a unique solution. And when they are going to parallel to each other, so if two pair of, means if a pair of linear equation, when we are going to represent on the graph, so if they are parallel, so we can say this type of pair of linear equation are said to be inconsistent. Inconsistent means that in case of inconsistent, it have a no solution. So we can write it have a no solution. Student, here if they are going to be coincide, means they are coincide, means they are going to overlap to each other, means so this type of pair of linear equations said to be dependent. This is dependent means the value of first equation is dependent on the value of second equation. So that we can say both are dependent to each other. So this is also a type of consistent. So it have a infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. And here is no solution. Here is, you can say, unique solution. It have a unique solution, it have a no solution, and here is infinitely many solutions. So students, here I am going to discuss existence of solution on comparing their coefficient of a pair of linear equation in two variables. So students, if we have a pair of linear equation, and if their coefficient there is a1 upon a2 does not equal to b1 upon b2, so we can say the both geometrical representation of both linear equation intersecting to each other, and they have a unique solution. And if their coefficient means there is ratio of their coefficient a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon a is equal to c1 upon c2. This ratio we are getting, so we can say they are coincident, means they are going to be dependent, and dependent is they have an infinitely many solutions. And if they are following this ratio, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, but does not is equal to c1 upon c2. So we can say the representation of type pair of linear equation is parallel, and if they are parallel, so it means they are inconsistent and it has a no solution. Okay, so students, here I am going to discuss about an example. So in this example, we have to check first the given pair of linear equation is consistent or inconsistent. If consistent, then we have to find the solution of this pair of linear equation properly. So here I am going to discuss about the solution of this one. So we have this one, two pair of linear equation. So we have, then we have x plus 3y is equal to 6. So we can write it like this one, x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Or the second, this one is first, and the second one we have 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Or we can write that is 2x minus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. So student, this is the second one. We can write here is here a1, we can say that is a1 is equal to 1 and b1 is equal to 3 and c1 is equal to minus 6. a2 is equal to 2, and we can say there is b2 is equal to minus 3 and c2 is equal to minus 12. So now on comparing, we can write a1 upon a2. a1 upon a2 means that is 1 by 2. b1 upon b2 is equal to, we can say there is 3 and minus 3. So we can write this is minus 1 and c1 upon c2, that is minus 6 upon minus 12, that is, you can write this is 1 by 2. So student, here we can see, since we can see here is a1 upon a2 does not is equal to b1 upon b2. a1 upon a2 is equal to 1 by 2. b1 upon b2 is equal to minus 1. So we can say here we have observed that a1 upon a2 does not is equal to b1 upon b2. So we can say, so the given pair of linear equations in two variables are consistent. Means consistent means it have a unique solution. Okay, so we can find the solution graphically of this pair of linear equations. Okay, so students, here first I am going to find the table for given pair of linear equation. So this is the given pair of linear equation is x plus 3y is equal to 6. So here x and y is equal to, that is 6 minus x upon 3. So if we put the x is equal to 0, so in this one, so here x is equal to 0. So we get there is 0 this is, and 3 by 6 by 3, that is we get 2. And if we get put here x is equal to 6, so 6 minus 6 is equal to 0, and when we divide 0 by 3 we get 0. So this is the coordinates for this equation. And now for the second one, there is 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. So if in this one y is equal to 2x minus 12 upon 3, we can simplify, then we get the value of y. And if we put x is equal to 0, here is x is equal to 0, so this term becomes 0, and here is minus 12 upon 4, then it becomes, that is minus 4. And if we get here is 3, so this term is 6 minus 12, so we have a minus 6 upon 3, so we get the minus 2. So students, we can say get the coordinate of A for this one. A is, we can say 0, 2, and B is that is 6 and 0, and here is for P we can say 0 minus 4, and Q is equal to 3 minus 2. So students, now we are going to represent this one on the Cartesian plane, means on the graph. So here first we select the scale, choose 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both axes. So there is, here is first, this is our x-axis, x dash, and this is a y dash. And here I am first going to locate the position of A. A is 0, there is 0, x is 0, and y is 2. So this is A. And the B is, x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 0, so this is a B. And now we are going to draw a line from meeting to A and B points. So this is the line which represents the equation x plus 3y is equal to 6. And again we are going to locate this point P. P is 0 and minus 4, so here is x. We can say x is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 4. And Q is equal to, x is equal to 3, so this is x is equal to 3, and y is equal to minus 2, this is a 2. And again we draw a line passing through P and Q which intersect to each other at a point, that is B, and the coordinate of B is they are intersecting, so we can say they are consistent, and we can say also they have a unique solution. So here is the point, this point is common in both, in this one, in this line and this line. So the coordinate of this point will be the solution of pair of linear equation. So what is the coordinate of this point? The coordinate of this point is 6, 0. So here you can say now solution, you can say x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 0. So your answer is you can write that is x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 0. So this is the solution of the both that pair of linear equation to